This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make quail curry. Begin by gathering quail, spices, aromatics, oil, and coconut milk, then measure ingredients before you heat the pan. Toast whole spices briefly for deeper flavor, then grind or crush them. Sear quail to build fond, deglaze with tomatoes or broth, simmer gently until tender, and finish with herbs and acid to brighten the curry. Prep starts with trimming and scoring quail, which helps flavor penetration and even cooking. Marinate in yogurt, turmeric, salt, and ginger to tenderize and season the meat deeply. While marinating, toast whole spices until aromatic, then grind them for a fresher impact than pre-ground powders. Chop onions, garlic, and chilies finely so they melt into the sauce, creating a silky texture when cooked slowly. Heat oil until shimmering, then sear quail briefly to develop color and flavor without overcooking. Remove birds, then sweat onions, garlic, and ginger until golden before adding ground spices to bloom. Reintroduce quail, add tomatoes and coconut milk, and simmer gently so the meat absorbs the sauce. Check seasoning, add acid like lemon or tamarind for balance, and finish with fresh cilantro and a drizzle of oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.